Separate the frame from the back cover. Snap the frame on the phone. Place it into the back cover and press the sides to seal the edges. Use the wet wipe to clean the screen to ensure the screen is dust-free. Use the dry wipe to remove moisture and remaining residue. Peel off the inner packing film, then align the screen protector to the screen and place it down. Remove the back film. Jam your fingers beneath the phone edges to separate the back cover. Remove the frame from your phone.